Your OBS screen doesn't fit, source too big or too small. Here is the right solution in seconds. First, this might be about the preview size. Move your cursor over the panel edges until it changes, then click and drag to resize the preview. If that doesn't work, right-click inside the preview, go to Preview Scaling, and select Scale to Window. Now let's resize a source or image. Click the source and drag any corner or side handle to adjust its size. OBS keeps the aspect ratio by default. Hold Shift while dragging to resize freely. Made a mistake. Press Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac to undo. If resizing doesn't work at all, right-click the source, go to Transform and choose Reset Transform. For precise control, right-click the source, go to Transform, then Edit Transform. Here you can fine-tune size, position, rotation, and cropping pixel by pixel. That's it. Like and subscribe for more OBS tips.e.